coming. They're all coming. Just grab onto anything.
Yo! Nah.
There's one in front of it. Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
He can go. Yeah, but there might be another one.
There's not. If you run him over, then there's nothing you can do.
Yo.
That one's just sat down.
Are
I
they
want
all,
them to jump on our
are they all
car.
gone?
Yeah,
Are you
there's
sure?
none.
They follow each other.
They do.
This one's like, you feed.
Yeah, they're coming.
They don't like this car.
Where have they gone? Are they still on top? Are they still in front?
Yeah, they're cross.
Oh, there you go. It's finished.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it stinks! It stinks!
They can't rip it out.
You have to start
No,
driving.
no, no! Oh, he's taking it.
my God.
He said, oh, you bended it. Nah.
Oh, he let go, he let go.
Oh, drive! No, keep them
They
on!
stink.
Oh, look at the baby one.
Are they at the back?
Yeah.
Bro.
Yo, he's got a big willy, fam. Ah!
Look.
I said they stink automatically as soon as they come up to your car. They're gonna pee on your car, bro.
Are they not weeing? Oh, they've got something in its mouth.
Hey! There's one at the back.
Yeah, it's like clinging on. Look at it, look at it.
Oh, it
it's
took my
clinging on.
wiper thing.
What's it
I
taken?
think it's got the cap.
Look, no, look at it, It's paws on the... they've got something, they've snapped it off. Look,
Oh,
you see it hanging on?
Oh my
What is
god.
that?
These
Right,
men
are you going now?
I don't know what it is.
They've-
I felt
no,
like
it's
a number
hanging.
plate.
It's hanging off. What is
There's one at the back just hanging.
Like
Yeah.
it's not playing.
It's eating it. Nah, don't he's violating.
Go, babe. Oh my god, Justin!
Oh!
Oh my god, what's he got? I think it's the number plate.
It's got a number plate, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's on the floor. Oh, they took my plate! Yeah! They took it!
And they've
Yeah,
got
they're rolling it around on the floor.
they've got his number plate!
Oh my god.
Babe, hold it that way.
Yes.
Right, go then, babe. They've got it, they've got it. You need to go because we're going to take the front one.
Dylan, they're still ripping shit. Oh my god.
They're getting the front one. They're getting the front one.
Yo, they like your car.
Not playing to the floor.
Hey! Look how he fell off.
Maybe you should have taken them ones off.
Look at the scraps. Nah.
This one's still here. What's he doing?
He's just eating it. They're gone.
Oh
still
my
on the
god.
front.